Undocking confirmed. Right on time at 3:45 a.m. Central Time, 4:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Soyuz MS-23 on its way with Prokopyev, Petelin, and Frank Rubio on board.
I'm turning off the wide angle. Oh, stand by. All right. Sending the command. Air or DK command is sent. Digital control loop command sent. Fuse power is illuminated. Starting at the hard stop. Copy and confirm. Your go.
And the Soyuz now beginning its 180-degree roll maneuver. Once this roll maneuver is complete, Prokopyev then will fly the Soyuz in a radial fly-around to a point directly in front of the station and then below the station, maintaining that 40 to 60 meter separation distance.
"90 degrees. Copy.
Petelin that will get underway on April 18th and to clear the Poisk for the arrival of the ISS Progress 84 cargo ship in late May. Once redocked to the Prichal module, the Soyuz MS-23 will remain at that Prichal port until Rubio, Prokopyev, and Petelin depart the station for good, currently scheduled for September 27th. The Soyuz now almost directly behind or in front of the International Space Station, essentially looking down the barrel of the docking port of the Zvezda service module as it continues its fly around under the control of Sergey Prokopyev, maintaining a distance of around 55 meters from the station. This view from the engineering camera on the Soyuz vehicle showing an excellent view of the ISS Progress 83 cargo craft.
The stack getting ready, inaudible.
The fly-around is now complete. The Soyuz precisely aligning itself now with the Prichal module in advance of a short period of station keeping and then final approach for redocking. And you see the Prichal docking port now in the field of view from the cross-aired engineering camera on the Soyuz MS-23.
I'm aligned with the docking port.
As the station and Soyuz fly 260 miles over Osaka, Japan, a great view of the MS-23 spacecraft, now just 2 meters away from contact and capture. Standing by for docking. Contact confirmed. Capture confirmed. Docking occurring at 4:22 a.m. Central Time, 5:22 a.m. Eastern Time.